Alright. Okay, Nick, what's your ringtone?
It's not as cool
Oh,
as that.
here's Nick's ringtone.
Joe, you are so funny. Oh my gosh.
iPhone or Sidekick 3? iPhone, all the way. Unless Sidekick 3 wants to give us some free stuff.
Sidekick 4.
It's come out in Japan. You guys haven't got it yet. What kind of music? This is Nick's ringtone. That's not the Pink Panther. It's 007, people.
Come on, get
your theme songs right. 007. Do you know who Yellowcard is? Yes, we do. We don't know them, but we know of their music and have listened to them.
I love that song, The One.
You are Do you like SpongeBob or Phil of the Future? I love Justin Timberlake.